Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna continue unpacking some Pokemon cards. So last time we have some got we got some pulse Jolteon, so the electric type evolution in a hologram. Okay, so okay, before we further ado, so let's gonna start it up, guys. Okay, this is our last four. Okay, this is our last four, and we're gonna open this up. Okay, so up, and also after we gonna unpack it, we also gonna review the cards also. Okay, and there's been a lot more. Okay, okay, yes, another Bolton. Okay, a Phantom and a Corvus Square, a Tyranitar, a Luxray and Impidem, Sizzlipede, Palosan, and another Mew, Rotom, Celebi, Dreadnought, Breloom, Beware, Trevenant, Bolton, Genesect, Cufant, Morgrem, Sizzlipede in DD, another Mew with a great art over there, and a Toxel, Charina, Arrokuda, Appleton, Simisear, and okay, what is this one? Okay, it's a Graven. So let's gonna check it out. Whoa, it's a water type. Okay, it's a water type. It's a water type. Okay, so I don't understand this because it's in Spanish. Okay, it's in Spanish. This is the Spanish version of the Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. Okay, it's a Crabominable. Okay, Crabominable V. Okay, it's a Crabominable V. So some of the cards are really relevant or redundant at the same time. Okay, from the previous or in the another previous, okay, unpacking. Okay, so I'm gonna have to, okay, another redundant and relevant cards. Okay, so I I'm expecting it is because there is no other Pokemon cards that I have been bought for. Okay, there's only one. There's only one. What is this called? The brilliant, the Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars, but in the other stores they have also a sun. They have also another Pokemon cards. Okay, so that's why it is so redundant that I'm still buying it. So okay, another Chanticleer, Barraskewda, Mew, Replock, Jupiter, Simisear, Pikachu, and a Shaman V Astro. So, and then a Morpeko, Scorch, Adrak, Cloak, Bolton VMAX, Toxtricity, Abominable. Okay. Forgot to categorize it. So, and then Asnom. So, water and ice type. Okay. Green Ninja and a Phalanx. Okay. What is this one? Okay. Whoa. This is new. What is this one? It's a dragon type. It's a dragon type. Okay. It's a dragon type. Okay. Okay, what is this one? What is this one? What is this one? Oh. 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 Okay. Suddenly. Yeah. Yes! Yes! It's a Rayquaza V! Whoa! Rayquaza! Yes! Whoa! Yes! It's a Rayquaza V! Look at that! Whoa! Another hot spool for today's episode. Okay. Okay. This is an interesting one. Okay. What? What? You're gonna be kidding me. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Okay. Oh my God. Will you look at that? Will you look at that? Will you look at that? It's a Rayquaza V. Woo. Ah. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Uh, okay, no way. No way. No way. I didn't expect that. Okay, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. Okay. I didn't expect that. Okay, I didn't expect that. So we have an Entei. Okay. A trainer. Zarud. Zarud. Zarud is on fire. Morgrem. Okay. A Hanshcrow. Grand Bull. Zamagenta. And Agron VMAX. Okay. Okay, it's a VMAX, that one. Okay, that's what is a VMAX. Okay. What is this one? Another fighting type. I have so much fighting type. I have so much fighting type. Okay. Holographic. Okay, it's a single strike or Shifu VMAX. Okay. Where can I put it? Okay, that is one. I forgot where I got. Okay. And on to the last. Then got some another trainer. And also Zarud. Zarud is on fire. Trainer again. So, and a Morgrem. A Hanshcrow. Grand Bull. Okay. A trainer. Okay. And on to the last one. Okay. On to the last one. Okay. What? Okay. Here we go. It's a grass type. Okay. It's a grass type. No way it's a available. Okay. It's flashback. Leaflet dance. Okay, it's a Celebi. Okay, it's a Celebi. So that was it. So it was a Rayquaza. Okay, it was a Rayquaza. Our hot spool for today. So okay, just gonna recap it first. Just gonna recap it. So got some Grand Bull, Hunch Pro, Zarud is on fire, Zamagenta, Grand Bull again, Hunch Pro again, Zarud again, Entei, Greninja, Crabominable, Simisear, a Pikachu, Mew, Chandelure, Lucario, Appleton, Simisear, Appleton again, Simisear again, Charina, Mew, Bolton, Genesect, Breloom, Celebi, Mew again, Tyranitar, and a Bolton. So, and then the next is also we have these basic cards. Okay, we have some basic Wormadam, Cast Form, Cinchino, Morgrem, Wormadam again. Okay. Oh, okay, I get it. So, Wormadam, okay, Morgrem, okay, Phalanx, Morpeko, Scorch, Dracloak, Graplact, Jupiter, Barascuda, Toxtricity, Togedemaru, Grimmsnarl, Scorch, Drippy, Dabul, Graben, Arfuda, Dabul, Graben, Arfuda again. Okay, relevant. So, okay, So okay, I got some. I have to something something special about these two cards over here. So these two cards is evolved from Burmy. Okay, we have some Warbanan fighting type, a bug type in a fighting type, and also got some Wormadam over here with is a bug type and a steel type. So these ones are evolved from Burmy. So how many Wormadam is this one? So I think there is also a Wormadam with Wormadam electric, bug in electric, bug and psychic, bug in dark. So because Burmy, because this is a branch evolution over here. So this is a branch evolution. So I'm gonna try to find out this Wormadam from the another basic Pokemon cards over here there. So in my box, okay. So that is a one interesting fact over there. So got some trainer. So we have some trainer over here, and also some VMAX again. Okay, we have some VMAX. Okay, nothing new, nothing new. So and the last one is this one, the Azure, but the hat is full. Is a Rayquaza V. Hahaha. No. Okay, it's a Rayquaza. So look at that nice, a nice one heck of an art. Okay. 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 So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching from my unpacking of Pokemon cards here in my vlog. So don't forget to subscribe, okay, because I really needed your subscription to my channel to reach 1,000 subscribers before the year ended. So I hope you realize what I am been asking of all of you viewers. So don't you just view my vlog, okay, just also subscribe, because I really needed that subscription of yours. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like my video. Okay, and so you can share this to all of your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on